different and fresh for you, so do like and subscribe. Today I will be showing you 4 styles, 2 with a shawl and 2 with a scarf. And of course I picked my ultimate favorite, Louis Vuitton. So I have my shawl here. Both of them have 2 different color combos on each side. So this one, oh, see, gray and black. On this one, it's black and gray. Ooh, so cute. All right, and this one is my ultimate favorite. Still smells like my perfume. This is a scarf as well, 2 different color combos, so you can see for yourself. This is silk and cashmere. Now this one, the shawl, is actually wool and cashmere. So they are both amazing material. I do love the different styles that you can do with both. Let's get into it. So this is the shawl. It's actually pretty big. Gray with the black, and this one is like black and gray. So either way, whatever floats your boat. I will do a nice little style for this one. I'm gonna do 2 styles in the shawl and 2 for the scarf. So I'll start off with the black and the gray. So all you do is go ahead and put it over your shoulders just like this. See how it's nice in the back? I'm gonna do a 3/6. Okay, now that you have it around your shoulders, just meet it like this. You'll tie it just once, and then a nice little tie there. Okay. So you could do it loose, you could do it tight. Nice little go-to with like a tank top, a plain tee, just out in the city. Whatever you feel dandy doing. I will turn it around on the other side, just like this. Same thing, okay? Triangle, see? This shawl is actually pretty big. I could literally wrap it around me. That's how big this thing is, but you can do so much with it. So you see how I have one on each side? You crisscross it. There you go. Pull it down. Get a little volume, a little detail. Right? Make it a little looser. There you go. Show me what you want. Okay. There you have it. 2 styles right there with my shawl friend. Shawl, honey. Shawl. We have a scarf here. Silk and cashmere. Beautiful, and it smells good. I wore it the other day, so it still smells like my Jimmy Choo perfume. Okay, this is like right around your neck. Oh, it's actually different on each side, just like the black and gray. This one, I love this one. Neutral, so sexy, chic. I love it. Girls like nice things, you know. Could do a little loose, just like that. There you go, honey. There you go, honey. Of course, you know, fix it up, do it to what's pleasing to you, right? Okay, I'll do it on the brown just like that. Oh. There you have it, 4 styles. I did that in under 6 minutes. So yes, go get creative. You are fashion. Remember, you wear it, it doesn't wear you. Thank you for tuning in. Do like and subscribe. Bye.